Okay. Uh, let's talk about the sentences first. Uh, I am going to write down a sentence here, and you will make questions. Uh, Sorry. Sunil will eat pakodi at Gamboi tomorrow. Okay, I have written this one. But I want to make a simple question. Will you please help me making a simple question out of it? Yes? Will you please help me making simple questions? Who will help me making simple questions out of it? Yes, simple question. I want Asha to tell me the simple question of this sentence. Very good. What is it? So we will write will Sunil eat pakodi at Gamboi tomorrow. Yes. I want to make a question about Sunil. Yes. Who will help me with it? Yeah, Virat, stand up and say. Stand up. At tomorrow. Very good, very good. What is it? Who will Very good. Now I want to make a question about to help me with it. Pakodi. Yes. Who will help me? I want Priyanka to help me. Priyanka. Yes, good try, good try. Roshni, stand up and say. Who? Oh. And very, very good. Look, pakodi. Show like that. So we will write first what. Now will આપણે ક્યાં લાવ્યા છીએ? હા, આગળ તો આપણે હવે લખીશું what will હવે લખવાનું છે સુનિલ what will Sunil eat. હવે પકોડી તો લખાશે નહીં કેમ કે પકોડી માટે તો પ્રશ્ન પૂછ્યો છે eat at Gamboi Try to make a question. Yeah, Mahendra, can you try? No, it is a place. So what should not be used? Where should be used? So we will write that. Where will Sunil eat pakodi? Now we will not write the name of the place and company because we have answered the question, right? So we will not write the name of the place tomorrow. Okay, good. Now it is the time. So I want you to make a question for tomorrow. Rohit, stand up and tell me. Not where. It is when. Yes. Very good. Very good. What is it? It is when will Sunil eat pakodi at Gambui? Right? Sorry. At yes, I want to ask a question for each. Sunil, શું કરી રહ્યો? શું કરવાનો છે? No, not me. No. No. આપણે શીખવાડી દો. સુનિલ શું કરવાનો છે? ક્રિયા કરવાનો છે. તો એના માટેનો શબ્દ છે do. What is it? Do. શું કરવાનો છે? શું કરવાનો છે? What થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછાશે. તો શું બનશે? What will Sunil અને eat છે એની જગ્યાએ શું મૂકવાનું? Do. પકોડી નહીં આવે. સીધું example tomorrow. What will Sunil do? સુનિલ શું કરશે? થઈ ગયું? હું એમ કહું કે રોશની will play ગરબા. હવે પ્લે માટે પૂછવું હોય તો Roshni do. What will Roshni do? Right? I want to say that Jairaj will clean the room. Right? I want to say that Gayatri is playing kabaddi. What is Gayatri? What is so Sunil will eat pakodi and Gambui tomorrow. We made the questions. Will you please read them? Yeah, try it. Read. Okay, first question. Good. Second. Okay. Very good. Next. Now, let's come here. These are the words that we studied yesterday, right? Who will try to read them? Yes? Who will try to read them? Yes, Anurag. Fail. Okay. Next is Shobika. Stand up and read. Okay, very good. Next is Nikul. Stand up and read. Tail. No. Next. Raju, will you please read? 10. Yeah, good. Next. Him. Very good. Kinjal. Okay. Sorry, Gopi. I every day mix Kinjal and Gopi here. Okay, next. Yes. Gopi, will you read? Sorry, Kinjal. Hen. Okay, good. Next. Yes. Varsha. Dave. Okay, next is Manvi. Dane. Okay, next is yes, we just stand up and read. King. Next is yeah, Virat, stand up and read. Yeah, good, King. Okay, good. Now we are going to see the new words today. Ya is. Ya is. Jaib. Jaid. Naid. Naid. Zaid. Waid. Yain. Said. Again, let's read them. Yes. Yes. Jib. Jid. Ned. Ned. Red. Wait. Yin. Say. Okay. Can you please read? Okay. આને આપણે બોલીએ છીએ yeah. Okay. Well done. And now I have given you the task from your home to complete it. Have you done it? Or not? Okay, open your notebooks then. Open your notebooks. I had given you the task to complete from your home. I told you to write down, find out the answers of these questions from the textbooks. Okay, what is the first question? Can you please read? Where is Faizan from? Yeah. Who will give me the answer? Where is Faizan from? Yes. Who will give me the answer? Nikul, can you try? Very good. Excellent. Well done. Clap for him. Yes. So the answer is Faizan is from okay, how many of you have written correctly without any error? Correctly. Well done. Okay, he is correct. He doesn't matter. He is correct. No, Faizan is from Tamil Nadu. This is the correct way of writing. Okay, please read the second question. Can Lakshmi talk in English? Please answer me. Raise your hand and answer me. Priyanka, what have you written? Okay. Good, beta. Good. But we need to improve this one. How should we improve it? Kavya, what have you written? Kavya, stand up and say. Kavya. Okay, okay, good. Yeah, Khushi. Okay. Diesel, what have you written? Okay, she was not able to speak. Yeah, Nikul. Okay, okay. Let me teach you how to write these questions. આ ક્વેશ્ચન કેવું છે હા કે નામાં છે હે ને તો પહેલો આપણે જવાબ લખી દીધો નો ના ભાઈ હવે આ પ્રશ્ન વાક્ય છે ને સાદું વાક્ય બનાવવા શું કરવાનું આ કેન છે સોરી કેનને પાછું એની જગ્યાએ લઈ જવાનું ને આપણે જે પેલું પ્રશ્ન બનાવવા બહાર લઈએ છીએ એવા પાછું અંદર લઈ જવાનું નો હવે લખશું લક્ષ્મી can let me ask you can Ankita fly no right can Bijal can Bijal swim Roshni right so you should answer this way beta okay next question please read yeah read Faizan speak Gujarati yes what have you written okay yeah that's very good okay yes okay good yeah anyone else okay anyone else okay let me teach you this one also how to write this question did Faizan speak Gujarati in the same way look here અહીંયા કેન હતું તો આપણે પાછળ શું લઈ ગયા કેન લઈ ગયા રાઈટ યસ તો જે રીતે તમે અહીંયા કેન આગળથી પાછળ લીધું તો હવે અહીંયા કેન નથી what is that so you should write that no you might have written no right have you written no out તો લખ્યું છે no no હવે આ લઈ જવાનું છે અહીં no Faizan હવે speak પણ not છે એટલે did આગળ આવશે speak માં નહીં જાય did not speak Gujarati ઓકે ચાલે he did not speak Gujarati મને લાગે છે કે કોઈ સાચું નહીં હોય okay okay read the next question what was the name of the pond Dodhu તળાવ yeah Dodhu write this one જુઓ અહીંયા કેવી રીતે લખશો અહીં આપ્યું છે was એટલે આ લઈ જવાનું પાછળ અને બાકીનું વાક્ય લખવાનું the name of the pond was Names not. Okay. Read the next question. What is Lakshmi's home? Yes or no? So how should we write it? We should write that yes. Now did we go behind? So we will write that yes. Faizan did and visit. Visited. Very good. Yes, Faizan visited Lakshmi's home. પણ બેટા બાકીનામાં પ્રશ્નોમાં તો યસ લખવું પડે. બાકી આ વાક્ય સાચું છે. વિઝિટેડ લખ્યું છે કે કેટલા વિઝિટેડ લખ્યું છે? વેરી ગુડ, વેરી ગુડ. ઓકે. Sasu. Okay, next, the last one. Can you read? Where did Faizan go from here? Did પાછળ જશે. Right. So how to write this one? Faizan went to Junagadh from Gir. Faizan went to Junagadh from Gir. કેટલાનું સાચું છે? No, you should have written. Okay. Stop. Pay your attention here. There are some instructions. सूचनाओं છે. કેવી સૂચનાઓ છે જંગલ માટેની? What is that? First, can you read? Don't use plastic in the jungle. Whenever we go to jungle, we should not use plastic. Use means. But should we use plastic in the jungle? No. Why? What will happen if we use plastic? The animals, what will they do? They will eat. And they will second. Rubbish. Here and there. Here and there and બધે. Should we throw rubbish? Rubbish means, you know, kachro. Should we throw kachro everywhere? નાખવું જોઈએ? We should not throw rubbish here and there. Okay, read the third instruction. Don't walk in the jungle. Yeah, don't walk. Why? No, but actually jungle is the home of animals, and if we walk, so we disturb them. What we do? We disturb animals, right? So we should not walk. We should always be in the car and enjoy the jungle. We should be safe also. Otherwise the animals would attack us. Right? The tiger, lion or leopard will come and attack us. So we should not go climb down from our. Read the next. Don't tease animals. Tease. Vitaru, right. Don't tease animals. You know, we people always tease animals. If there is a dog going on, So what we do? We just keep it. Don't we do?
Yes.
Some of us, આપણામાંથી કેટલાક લોકો તો કરે છે એવું. Look, આપણે અમે ગયા હતા આપણા સ્કૂલના છોકરાઓને લઈને જુનાગઢ તે ઝૂ જોયું પ્રાણી સંગ્રહાલય ઝૂ પ્રાણી સંગ્રહાલય ત્યાં ઘણા બધા That's why it says don't tease animals. Don't tease. Okay, read the next. Protect. રક્ષણ કરો. જંગલનું. We should not cut the trees and we should not disturb the jungles. Yes, we should protect it. Read the next. Food. Whenever you go to jungle, don't give any food to the animals. Don't give biscuits to monkeys, to dogs, to lions. Don't give any food because it will harm them. નુકસાન કરશે. Right? So we should not give any food. આપણું food છે તીખું છે સ્પાઇસી છે અને એમનું food અલગ હોય. So we should not give food to animals. Read the next. Our national property. Have you heard the word property? Jameen, sampatti. Property means sampatti. So this park, Gir National Park, is our national property, Rashtriya Sampatti, right? Right? It is our national property. Okay, read the next one. Trees are our best friends. We should not cut the trees. And next? Our friends. Animals are also our friends. Animals are also our friends. Trees are also our friends. Okay, which are the instructions now? Let's in the jungle. Don't throw rubbish here and there. Don't throw rubbish here and there. Then don't walk. Okay, don't tease animals. Protect the jungle. Don't give any food to them. And this park is national property. And the trees are Jarna, Julie and Jaya. Three friends. They visited Sasan. Where did they visit? Sasan. And these sentences show their behavior in the Sasan. A sentence is બતાવે છે કે એમનું સાસણમાં જંગલમાં how was the behavior? વર્તન કેવું હતું એમનું? Let us see. You should write good or bad in their behavior. They shouted, shout. When they saw the lion family first time, hey lion, hey lion. So is it good or bad? Bad, yes. So we should write here, bad. Please read the second line. popcorns and they gave it to deer, haran. Is it good or bad? Bad. Okay, it is bad, not bad. Bad means good. Okay, read the next. Rubbish. Here and there in the Julie and Jaya. They threw rubbish here and there, everywhere in this river. So is it good or bad? So we should write here bad. And next, pulled branches. There is a tree, right? And there are some branches of the tree. So Julie pulled it. Pull. Julie pulled the branches of the tree. Is it good or bad? Bad. Yeah, it is also bad. So we should not do this, right? So write down this one from your home, also into your notebook and textbook also. Look, it is interesting facts about lions. Interesting fact, હકીકત છે lions વિશે. Which are the facts? Weight. એનું weight કેટલું હોય છે? Male. પુરુષ જે સિંહ હોય છે એમાં approximate આશરે 150 kg to 250 kg. And female હોય છે એમાં 120 to 180 kg. Length, લંબાઈ. ડાયટ ઉપર છું બહુ નથી ખાતો ડાયટ ઉપર વજન ના વધે એવું એના માટે ડાયટ કરે છે બધા. So what is diet? Diet એટલે ખોરાક. Diet એટલે શું? So typical એટલે એનો આમ પરંપરાગત એનો ખોરાક કયો છે લાયન નો? તો ડિયર, હરણ. Wild deer, rings, buffaloes, and antelope, એ પણ હરણ. So these are the facts about lions. So what we will do, we will write down the words which I underline in this story from the first to last. Okay, we will write down these underlined words into your notebook from your home. Okay, so we are stopping here.